Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. If this is not your first time and you back to see your girl, then hey girl, hey. So today I will be reviewing the final Neesha of the new Soft and Natural collection. This is Neesha 203. I loved all the packaging for Neesha, by the way. Y'all already know, if you've been watching my channel, that I've really been feeling these Neesha units. So without further ado, let's jump right into Neesha 203. This one feels a little tight. This might be the tightest one I have tried on. Let me cut this lace. So I'm going to cut the lace and then I will be back with my final thoughts. Hello beauties, hello beautiful people out there. She has arrived. Okay, she has arrived. My good sis, Neesha 203 has arrived. Honey. And she is here to stay. And she is here to slay. Okay, let's get into it. Wow, I am so absolutely positively blown away by this whole line, by this whole collection, by all these Neeshas. They just have, I can't even put it into words how much I'm loving these units. Okay. So let's get into the details on this Neesha that I have on. Where's the stock card, Deanna? Let's find it. Neesha 203 is the longest of all the Neeshas, as you can see. Here's the stock card right here. And my color is DRFF2 Cinnamon Spice. Right there. This color though, like, these Neeshas have been slaying, not only in the texture, but also in these beautiful colors that they have been coming out in. Each Neesha I tried has been in a different color. So if you have not caught my other Neesha reviews, they will be linked at the end of this video. So if you're looking for variety, if you're looking for a color and texture, boom, like this is the perfect collection for you to try. So yeah, let's jump into the specs, the pros and the cons, and all that good stuff. Okay, so Neesha 203 does have your standard cap construction with the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. And she does come with this very, very nice, long, deep parting space here. I did not pluck or tweeze. All I did was go in with my Fit Me powder in the color 220. Oop, it's a glare. Fit Me powder in the color 220. That's all I did, as always, with this little eyeshadow brush right here. Whoop-de-whoop-whoop. And we handled that parting space. I don't got time to be sitting up here plucking and tweezing. Like, I actually have somewhere to go. So the parting space is really, really nice. As for big head friendly, I'm going to have to say that this Neesha is the tightest of all the Neeshas. When I put her on my big head, it was a little tight. After I cut the lace, it got a little bit better, but I'm still going to say she is the tightest Neesha I have yet to try. So comment down below if your Neesha 203 is also tight, or maybe it's just me, maybe it's just the one I got. But I'm going to have to steal a line from my girl Kyra Sean and say that this is more big head associate. You can get your big head in it, you know. I am getting some coverage, but you see my edges are hanging out a bit. So, yeah, it fits me better on this side than on this side, but it's definitely big head associate. Not that that's even a con for me, really, because she is so pretty. And she is supposed to be heat safe up to 400 degrees. Not that I see myself putting any heat on her anytime soon, because I don't want to mess up this natural texture. The texture is gorgeous. The texture is just like all the other Neeshas, but just longer. And I think they did a great job with the density, because as you can see, she is very full. She is not too flat, and she's just really cute. Before I forget, let me show you a 360. Okay, so that was a 360 of her. She is absolutely gorgeous. So ladies, I'm not going to drag this out. I'm not going to keep you long. I think we have went over all the specs of this Neesha 203, and I love it just as I do the others. Now that I have finally tried all of the Neeshas, well, the newer Neeshas, Neesha 201, 202, 203, if I had to put them in order of my favorite to least favorite, ooh, this is going to be so hard. I'm going to have to say that 203 and 201 are going to have to tie for first place. And Neesha 202 is going to come in second. So that's not bad. Outre really did a great job with this collection. The color is on point. The texture is on point. The density is on point. The part and space is flawless. Like, this is the perfect unit for a beginner-friendly person who wants to try some wigs in a natural texture. Very beginner friendly and very beautiful. You guys, if you haven't checked out these new Neeshas, then what are you waiting for? Okay, maybe you were waiting for them to come back in stock, but wig types the other day, they came through. They had a whole bunch in stock. Beauty Crew has been coming through. Shout out to Beauty Crew, because I think when they were all sold out, Beauty Crew came out with like a few more, and I was able to snag 203 real quick. I was so excited. I was able to get her, and in this color I wanted, which was the cinnamon spice. So shout out to Beauty Crew. Y'all know I'm a wig types girl, but they came through for me with this Neesha 203. So just check around some of your favorite wig companies, because they are getting these back in stock, and they are selling out a little bit slower now that I think most people have tried them and they know what colors they want, and so on and so forth. Please let me know down in the comment section what was your favorite Neesha from the collection. How are you feeling about 203? Or just drop down there and say, hey, how you doing? Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Hello. Hey, hi all my new subscribers out there. I don't know if you came over from Beauty with Cats channel, or if you came over from I Fancy Cupcakes. Well, that's her Instagram name. The Hearts and Cake 90 channel. I don't know if you just happened to stumble across my channel because of these Neeshas, but I appreciate each and every one of you so much. We are on the road to 1K. Thank you. You are appreciated. It does not go unnoticed. Thank you so much for this love. And yeah, chat with me down in the comment section, and I will catch you guys later. Mwah.